Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We are on our way back to the USA. We're going to be spending the holidays with my daughter Lauren in Florida. I told you that I had 80 pesos, right? I can't even afford a bottle of water. I can get a hot dog for 30 pesos, a pandy chicken tasty for 30 pesos, and then a luncheon meat. So I have this, and this. I have 5 pesos left.
You're Filipino?
Yes, I'm Filipino, yeah. Philam, yeah. So.
My name is Arlene.
Dad gets the luncheon meat. My mom wants a hot dog. Here you go. And I get the chicken. Bon appetit, guys. To Changsha. So we're at Changsha. We actually have a layover for about 13 hours.
Wow!
Oh, and lockers are included. Does it? There, see the light? Okay. You got plugs in there. Okay. Alright, good night, guys. We're here for a couple more hours and then we're gonna head out to LA. Tony, so what are we doing right now?
We're all gonna go pack in the 4Runner and we're gonna go to Seafood City to get some food for sinigang tonight.
We arrived in Vegas late last night.
Is there anything to eat there in Seafood City?
A lot of stuff to eat at Seafood City.
Tapsalog, bangsilog.
We're at Seafood City now. There's 3 locations here in Seafood City. There's actually 3 Seafood City locations here in Las Vegas. This location here behind me is the newest location. Let's check it out, okay? You guys ever seen a white Filipino before?
Here you go.
She cooks some Filipino food. They're opening up gifts right now. Hey Tony, where's my gift at? Tony, where's my gift at, guys?
In 2 weeks,
It's in the mail.
it'll be in the mail.
Back to Florida.
Brother. You know what I'm saying?
We just crossed over. We're in Arizona right now. We just grabbed something to eat, but this is where our road trip begins. We're going through Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. We are about a little under an hour away from Flagstaff, Arizona. You see the snow right here. Welcome to New Mexico, guys. New Mexico, people, and it is cold. It's snowing right now. Going through New Mexico. Passing through Texas right now. The one thing that Texas has right now is cheap gas right now. The last price that we saw, $1.95 per gallon. Well, as soon as we left Vegas, we saw a thing for $4.59 or 89 cents. Like 49. What's your comment? So we finally made it to Louisiana, and we have 2 more states to go. So we have Mississippi, and then Alabama, then Florida. 7 hours and 18 minutes left.
Are we there yet?
No.
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 Are we there?
So we're here safely, so we'll see you on the next video.